Guys, I'm here at SM North EDSA sa The Block for the second Pika Festival 2010. It's Philippine International Cartoons, Comics, and Animation event. Dito nagsasama-sama lahat ng mga animators, comic illustrators, and yung mga cartoonists. Meron pa tayong exhibit with the one and only tribute to Mr. Larry Alcala, yung Slice of Life sa baba. Tingnan natin.
Good morning to you, bad morning to me. Today is a school day, we have a class on Saturday.
Guys, I'm here with the creator of Duday of Muaha Comics, Mr. Mike Yonzon. Since we're here at the 100 years comics na exhibit, sinong Pinoy cartoonist ang favorite nyo? Or comic illustrator?
Kilala niyo ba si Michael Yonzon?
Yun eh.
Hindi. Si Larry Alcala. Also, my father, Hugo Yonzon, Lenny Liu, sila Stanley Chi. Yes, magaling yun.
Artist pala yun?
Hindi nga eh.
Guys, isama ko ang cartoonist na si Barry Jose. As a member of the SKP, Samahang Cartoonista ng Pilipinas. In English, it's the Cartoonist Society of the Philippines. Ano ang role ng SKP members dito sa Pika event?
Naging advocacy ng SKP is to promote Filipino cartoonists and help the children. Tulungan ang mga bata na matuto ng mag-cartoon.
Isa sa mga founding members ng Comic-Con, Mr. Lyndon Gregorio. Lyndon, what is the Comic-Con doing here at the Pika event?
We're supporting yung Pika in their efforts to promote comics and animation, local comics and animation internationally.
Guys, nandito tayo sa Jack TV booth. John, ano ginagawa ng Jack TV dito sa Pika Festival?
Siyempre. Wait lang. Anong nga ba ginagawa namin dito?
Ano ginagawa nyo rito?
Nakikisaya, siyempre. Ay, nagpapatingin ako.
Oh.
Hi, Jaco. Ay.
Guys, isama ko rito si Makoy, indie comics artist dito sa Pika event. Ano ang comics na binibenta mo ngayon dito sa Pika event?
Merong comedy, merong medyo horror. Mascot sa fast food chain na nagwawala. Mga batang hinahabol ng zombie. Taal Volcano Monster versus Evil Space Paro-Paro. Iba-iba. So ano?
I'm here with veteran comic illustrators, Sir Rico Rival and Mr. Abe Ocampo. Sir Rico, ilan lang sa mga ginawa niya ay yung mga Planet of the Apes, The Punisher, and ano pa ho, sir?
Transformer, the original Transformer.
Sir, what are the characters na sa abroad na ginawa nyo?
Yung Rima, the last issue ng Rima, akong nag-drawing nun. And then I transferred to animation and I am a part of the animation Anastasia, Titan AE, Bartok the Magnificent, they're all movies.
I'm here with Lady Storekeeper. What's your favorite cartoons na gawang Pinoy?
The one about this group, about nature, this green people. I forgot the title pero it's a very good story.
Kaano-ano mo si Lady Storekeeper?
Katabi.
The pay dun sa mga illustrators ngayon tsaka yung dating illustrators, may malaking diferensya ba o ganun pa rin?
Then was, we were young then, ang mahalaga sa amin, ma-publish yung trabaho mo. It doesn't matter how much you paid.
Nung mag-start ako, ay binabayaran lang ako ng 8 pesos. Pero 8 pesos is, yes, per page. 8 pesos is too good because ang ordinary employee is receiving 4 peso a day. So by then, angat na ang isang artist. Kung talagang gusto mong kumita, you add more, you draw more. That is, alisin mo yung pagtulog mo. Puro sa mesa ka na lang.
Mr. Nomura and Ms. Matsumoto are from the company called Robot.
Okay. Yeah. What's your favorite Filipino comic strip?
There is a many. I cannot understand.
What's your favorite hentai, sir? Hentai. Yeah, that's a Japanese animation.
Hentai.
Yeah, hentai. Yung ending theme song ng Voltes 5.
I don't know if I got it right pero
Lyndon, can you sing a few lines from Voltes 5?
Harari adureta Shigaroti mo Mitsukawa Shariri Tuarari Papa
Parapam-pam. Tama na.
Okay.
Oh, but in Japan, Voltes 5 is so-so.
Oh, sige.
Ano? Ay, interviewin kita. Kasi mga Facebook friends tayo.
Oh, sige, sige.
Sa status mo, sabi mo yung mga nanggagaya sa inyo. Parang nakasiguradong ginagaya kayo.
Halata eh. Gayang-gaya eh.
Tulad ng...
That's just crazy!
Oh,